How to print in Adobe Acrobat. First, open your browser and go to acrobat.adobe.com. Log in if you aren't already. Click All Tools, then select Edit a PDF from any tool to open your file. Upload your PDF. Once your file is open, look to the top right corner. See the three little dots? Click on it. Select Print from the drop-down. If you are using Windows, you can simply press Ctrl plus P and press Command plus P if you are using Mac. A print dialog box will pop up. From here, choose the printer you want to use, pages to print, choose the layout and the color. You can also click more settings to adjust the paper size, scaling, margins, etc. Double check your settings and hit the print button. Your printer will take over from there. You can also save it as PDF instead of printing on paper. And that's how to print in Adobe Acrobat. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.